I'm a veteran. I know the owner was a veteran, and I mentioned that on there, so I always take that in consideration. And just thought it sounded like a good company, and went with it, and it came out really well. I'm a ham radio operator. I also work for the state of California as a volunteer in their emergency services operations. So, I always have some good antennas up there, and want to make sure I got a good roof to put them on. So it looks like that is working out really great. We set the date we wanted to have it done on, and they were out nice and early that day, and got started on it, and it went pretty smooth. They stripped it down, put the new plywood on, put all the shingles back on, and it looked good when they were done. No problems. I'm up there walking around a lot on the roof, and it's not as spongy as it was before. It's a nice sturdy roof. It looks real nice finished off. So I'm getting ready to put the tower back up on top there, and then as soon as I do that, I'm going to have some solar panels put in over top of that, and it should be good to go for many years.